Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to build a wood rack without any tools. Alright, so these are the materials that you need. 3 cinder block. These are the timber wood, is actually the cheapest. And they are 8 foot long. You can cut them to the size you want as well. And right below that you have 4 pieces. I bought a 2x4x10. 2 of them, divide them up, cut them in half, 5 feet each. So you have 4 pieces all together. All right, so we'll go ahead and demonstrate to you how we're going to stack these wood in the materials that I'm going to build with. This is a wood rack and it's actually very simple. The timber woods should be on the outside. The flat side of the beam should be facing you, as you can see on the screen there. And also below it, you want the cinder blocks to be on the left, the middle, and the right. Repeat the same step over again. On the right hand side, the beam should be facing you on the flat side, so this way you can provide better support. Make sure you have some space on the back of the wood. This will allow air circulation, and also it helps dries the wood quicker as well.